Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on these iced oatmeal cookies that I recently tried. I've always been a fan of oatmeal cookies, so I was curious to see how the addition of icing would change the flavor and texture. Let's dive into the details. Appearance. First impressions count, and these cookies certainly look appealing. The icing is evenly spread and has a nice, glossy finish. The oatmeal base peeks through the icing, giving the cookies a homemade and inviting appearance. Texture. As for texture, these cookies strike a great balance. The oatmeal provides a chewy and hearty base, while the icing adds a delightful crunch when you bite into it. I was pleasantly surprised by how well the textures complement each other. Flavor. Now onto the taste. The oatmeal cookies have a rich, comforting flavor with a subtle sweetness that's not overwhelming. The icing adds a touch of extra sweetness and a hint of vanilla that enhances the overall flavor. It's a great combination, sweet but not too sugary. In terms of overall enjoyment, these iced oatmeal